Hi guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to get a refund in Google Play Store. Open your Play Store app and then tap in your profile icon. After clicking it, you will see the payments and subscription. Click the payments and subscription, and then you will see here the budget and history. Tap in the budget and history, and inside the screen, you will see all the completed purchases that you have completed using your account or using Play Store. Now, I want you to locate your purchase and tap it. Then, after tapping it, select View to see the transaction details. As you can see here, the Report a Problem button will show. Click the Report a Problem button, and then after clicking it, you must select a reason for a refund from the drop-down. You can also describe your issue in the box. After completing all these details, you can now submit this report. And that's it. That is how to refund in Play Store. And thank you for listening.